friends, I am trying out this recipe by Paleovalley. It's called Cashew Collagen Queso, and I think it turned out pretty great. I wanted to kind of demonstrate what was in it and talk about it. So, you know that cheese sauce that comes in a glass, and it's called, some people call it queso, and you usually eat it with corn chips. It's really delicious, but it's super processed. And I don't know about you, but corn is a grain that's difficult for me. It's pretty hard on my stomach. It's the most moldy grain crop in the US, so there is definitely a chance that it will be moldy. So I'm personally trying to avoid corn, and this recipe called for plantain chips. So you can either buy plantain chips or you can make your own. So I made my own today. I used a plantain that was yellow but not like super soft. I kind of prefer a little softer, sweeter plantain. But if you use a plantain that's green, it has resistant starch, which is good for weight loss. But it's a nice source of fiber and a nice variety. And then the dip only has 6 ingredients, so it's really easy. It's water, broth, taco seasoning, cashews, collagen powder, and green chili in a little can. A little, like, I don't know, it's like 2 or 4 ounce can of green chili. And then you just mix it in a blender. I did let the cashews soak for an hour, even though it didn't require that. And it comes out to be a pretty tasty dip. I wasn't sure it was gonna really taste like a Mexican dip, but it's really quite lovely. And it was, you know, easy to make and fry up the plantains, and you could serve it like with a dinner or as an appetizer. So I hope that's a little good inspiration for you to try this yummy alternative to a popular snack.